Yo, what's up everyone, and welcome back to a new video here at Tech Provider. Today I'm here back with a new tutorial and for my first phone tutorial on this account. Today I'm basically gonna show you how you can check, scan for viruses on your phone, on your Samsung, Android, or whatever you have. It is very easy, so yeah, let's just get started. Before we get started, actually go ahead and subscribe and support us. And yeah, okay, so the first thing you're gonna have to do is they're just simply gonna, from the top here of the phone, just simply drag it down. Let me just clear my notifications. So if you drag it down, you can see this little thingy right there. Click on it, and you're gonna go inside settings. When you're inside settings, you're gonna scroll down and see where you find the device care right here. Click on that. After you've done that, you're gonna see all these four options. You can click on security, and there you see here secure, unsafe, scan needed, or secure. So you can just simply click on here, tap on your scan phone, and now it's gonna scan everything here and scan for viruses, if it has any viruses. And if it has any viruses, then you can your phone is gonna remove them and actually save it and remove things that are slowing down your phone or giving viruses. So this is basically what you have to do, and it's gonna take some time. One time it took me 1 hour for this to scan. That's why I'm gonna end this video right here. But this is how you simply literally just scan for viruses, and you don't need an antivirus program or something. Just use the Samsung, the regular virus. They're the best one, because yeah, it's made by it's made by Samsung, and it's 100% safe. So don't need to worry about. Just scan, and they're gonna remove the viruses. So yeah guys, that was basically everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching and supporting Tech Provider. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click thumbs up. And I would like to see you in the next video guys. Goodbye.